Hi everyone. Welcome to another video about personal finance. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest dreams for most people, buying your own home. Buying a home is a big investment, but it can also be an exciting experience. In this video, we're going to give you some tips on how to prepare financially to buy a home and find the home of your dreams. Number 1, make a budget and save money. Before you start looking for a house, it's important to make a budget to understand exactly how much you can spend. After establishing a budget, it's important to save money for the down payment and other expenses, such as registry fees and other closing costs. Number 2, understand your financing options. There are several financing options for buying a home, such as direct financing with the owner, bank financing, housing financing, among others. It's important to understand your options and choose the best one for your financial situation. Number 3, research the real estate market. Research the real estate market in the region you're interested in buying. Research will help you understand how much a house costs in the region and help you avoid being tricked. The internet is a good tool for doing this research. Number 4, hire a real estate agent. Hiring a real estate agent can help you find the home of your dreams, as they have access to a wide variety of homes. They can also help negotiate the price and purchase conditions. Number 5, inspect the house before buying it. It's important to make sure the house is in good condition before buying it. An inspection will help identify any problems that may affect the habitability or value of the home. Well, folks, those are some tips on how to buy your own home. Buying a home can be one of the biggest purchases someone makes in life, so it's important to prepare financially and do plenty of research to find the right home. We hope this video has been helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. See you next time.